Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to refill, Metrocard NYC. Now, to do this, you first just visit a subway station, and you're basically gonna be using a Metrocard vending machine, which accepts cash and debit cards, credit cards, and you can also register your card online and set up automatic refills. So I'm gonna give you a more detailed breakdown. So the first way is, of course, in-person refilling. Okay, you just find a MetroCard vending machine. Okay, and these machines are actually located in most subway stations. Just go there and select Add Value. Right, choose the option to add value to your MetroCard, and then you just insert the cash or swipe the card. You can just pay with cash or the credit or debit cards. Just follow the instructions. The machine will guide you through the process. Another way is the online refilling. Okay, you basically use Easy Pay. You just register your MetroCard, create an account, register your MetroCard on the MTA website, and you can pay through here. Okay, and you can also go ahead and set up auto refill. You just choose the amount you want added to your card and when it should be added. But otherwise, really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.